Hello, I'm Francesco Saverio Stentera Lopez, and I'll be teaching the modules data scraping with Stata. So nowadays, Stata is integrated with Python. This is a great news because we can do many different things with this integration. And in particular, in this course, we'll be learning how to retrieve and download specific information from any website. This is a very nice and useful tool because it basically allows you to grab any information you want from any possible website. So the course will be developed as follows. We will start with the very basic of Python. So no knowledge of Python is required for this specific course. You can basically arrive without knowing anything about Python because we will be installing Python in your machine at the very beginning of the course, and then we'll go through the very basic of Python. Of course, Python is a very diverse and it's a language basically. So we will not cover all the aspects of Python, but we'll be covering the aspects of Python which we need for the specific object, which is data scraping. So we'll be covering the basics. You don't need to know anything about Python, and then we go through the libraries we actually need for the data scraping object, which are basically request and beautiful soup, and then we'll be writing the actual data scraping script. And finally, we'll be learn how to allow our script to run across different pages. So it's a very simple course, but we'll give you an introduction to programming with Python and programming with Python through Stata. So I hope this will be helpful for you and for your research, and I look forward to meet you at the course. Thank you very much.